Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a cab, heat and air. Also has the John Deere 520M quick attach front loader on it. Tractor has 20 hours. Tractor is practically new. It does come with the balance of the full factory warranty. The tractor has not been sold to an end user. However, obviously we are selling this as a used tractor since we're not a John Deere dealership. Again, right at 20 hours on the tractor, practically new machine, and does come with the balance of the factory warranty. It does come with the 520M quick attach front loader, has a global style hookup for your bucket connection. And obviously the tractor is practically new, still has the pips on the tires. 18-430 tires in the back here. Triple remotes, rear work lights. Has the 540 and 540E PTO. Looks like we've got a missing 3-point end here, which we will have that rectified there for you before the tractor leaves here. Not sure what's happening with that, but that will come with a full 3-point arm. Just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Air ride seat for the operator. Power reverser transmission. It does have the upgraded 24-speed transmission, which gives you that power high-low right there on the shifter. So a real nice transmission, nice upgrade. All your PTO hydraulic 3-point controls located to the right, and then up top you have the sun visor, rear view mirror, and climate controls. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.